Madume ki a dumedisa, thokozani sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, and hello. This is Dr. Oti, Ketla Maketla, Nyangenkulu, Yase, Nixm Africa. Bagwetu, I'm based in Mondio, 180 ENM Road, Mondio, Johannesburg. That's where I am. That's where I do yonke imisebenzi yami yedlozi. That's where I do yonke imisebenzi yami yethongo. Ngibonga support from abantu bonke abuka inyanga yompedi TV. We are now on 58,200 subscribers. Bagwetu, please make sure that you subscribe. You hit that notification bell. It will always alert you whenever my cameraman, my editor, he's everything. We are editor, we are shooter. Whenever he's uploading something which is mainly referring or regarding everything which has to do with Inyanga Yompedi TV. So please, inyanga ye camera ihlali upload laba kwethu. Kunenyanga Dr. Oti, kunenyanga ye camera behind the scenes. Please make sure that you hit the notification bell, you subscribe ukwazi ukuthi ungaphuthelwa. Bakwethu sanibonani, dumelang, absheni and hello. Kimkhulu Oti, inyanga yabantu bonke. Yindoda le kwathiwa iyowa. Ivukile manje. Akuweki madoda, akuweki bafethu. Ngisaphambili ngiyaphakama ngiyaphambili. Nalaba ngilosi lami, ngilosi lami, ngilosi lika Oti. Nalabo abangenza kabi ngibaxolele. Nalabo abangidlela ingane zami ngibaxolele. Nalabo abangidlela imali zami ngibaxolele bakwethu. Ngibaxolele bonke. Mina I'm just pushing and cruising in this life. Enjoy this life for while it lasts. Otherwise, soul. And the people of which did bad things to you, because of when you are seriously focusing on the people who have done wrong to you, you lose your own focus coming to your own life. Bear in mind. But namhlanje my topic is about ipipi. Pipi. Kwai. Pipi. Kwai. Mbolo. Polo. Pipi. Polo. Pipi. Kwai. Mamele kirongweni. Njengoba ngikhuluma ngepipi kanje ngikhuluma ngento enkulu. Ngikhuluma ngento eqhumane namasende. Eqhumane namasende. Ipipi elihle watseba. Ipipi elinkulu watseba. Pipi egolo. Pipi egolo, pipi ya bophelo, pipi entle, pipi e kgonang ho etsa mosebetsi. Kunabantu ukuthi banamapipi amakhulu, but umuntu wakhona akakwazi ukwenza umsebenzi ngale pipi lakhe. Yipipi nje likhulu nje lihle, lipipi nje likhulu liyalenga, yipipi nje likhulu liyalenga, but you don't even know how to use that pipi of yours. Then at least likhulu but awukwazi wenzani ngalo. We have abantu banamapipi amancane naye akazi wenzani ngalo. Sibe nomuntu onepipi elincane but ukwazi ukulisebenzisa. These are the people now engikhuluma nabo. These are the people abasemsebenzini. You are at work. You are doing the God's work in this world. Wabona modimo akabopa motho ayenza indoda ha fetsa wetsa monna a shebore ngayenzani okunye. Then modimo ayetsa mosadi. Ha modimo ayetsa mosadi abelikuku. Mamela ayetsa mosadi. uNkulunkulu ayenza umfazi abe nekuku. But ikuku lakhona limangaze libe ikuku elimnandi. Hoyitse ntho re jwang? Modimo re Adama kwetseditse mosadi nguyenzele umfazi into enekuku. But ikuku lakhona when Adama fetsa hore kara kukule are mawe Holy Mary, Mother of Jesus, this thing na be good now. This thing na be fine. This thing na be well. Huh? This thing na be tasteful. This thing na be tasteful. This thing na be well now. Then, Adama ajantwi. Awutla re ntho e monate. Kuyaphilwa la. Umethu Adam, how? This thing can even make a woman go pregnant now. women go bear kids because of this thing. This thing nabila for. So, ke tla mo tabeng e. Ipipi elinkulu lihle uma lekwazi ukunyoba. Banna ba sa kgoneng ho nyoba ka pipi tsa bona ba le bothata. Uma uyindoda, I had one man saying to me, Dr. Oti, it has been approximately 13 years without having sex. I asked him, how possible is that? He said to me, it's because of people and women are laughing at me. I'm here for you. No, Dr. Oti, now I just came only for isithwalo ka rewena masendako. Hewen. You only came for isithwalo. So people tino mungadli. Here I'm talking to amadoda. Banna ba tletseng ho etsa mosebetsi wa modimo lefatsheng. Banna ba tletseng ho kotana. Banna ba tletseng ho etsa lefatshe le be leholo. Banna ba tletseng ho nabisa lefatshe le kgone ho ba le di-president. Le be le president. Le be le masole. Le be le eng. You can never say when o le monna o normal o bo re wena o kotana. There is something wrong in your mind. There is something wrong in your mind. So, here, ngifuna bonke amadoda athi namapipi amancane abakhona ukota. I'm saying to you, people elikhulu lihle. Hayi mntaka baba thina kulunga ngithini. Mangathiwa singabeba lapha emapaleni, kuthiwa sikhipheni ezethu, hayi ungabaleka khehla. Hayi ungabaleka umuntu omdala, ungabaleka. That's why even nomfazi oyedwa akakwazi umuntu omdala, akakwazi. That's why nanoma ngithi ngiyashata futhi, uthi ayishata, ngithi ngiyaphinda futhi, athi ayishata, ngithi ngiyaphinda futhi, athi ayishata, ngithi ngiyaphinda futhi, athi hayi shata. Because what's about it? Hey, bulldozer now, huh? The big ganda, the big machine. So if uyindoda engena pipi eli right, ipipi elinkulu lihle, ipipi elinkulu lajabulisa. To all those who have small penises, to all those who have small pipi, kaofela bona banna ba senang dipipi bakwethu, please do make sure you contact me. Please make sure you contact me. This time around, we have traveled. We have traveled. City Botswana. Gibuye Nomuti from Botswana. This time around, I'm saying to you, just double your PP up because of the help I came with from Botswana. Just as little as 2,800 rand. 2,800 rands. Change your PP for life. Just with 2,800 rands. Change your PP for good. Change your PP how? 2,800 rands. 800 rands. Uyekela ukuhleka abantu. Uyanyoba. Unyoba le. Ipipi elincane. Unyoba lapha. Ipipi elincane. Unyoba mane. Kapipi enyane. Unyoba mane. Kapipi enyane. Basadi ba tshaka wena. Mosadi ya o ke sono. O ntsontsha sephiri. Sa hore bula dirope. Le ka wa dumela. Le ka sa. Ke batla hore pipi ya ba mosadi a itse. E re fela. How? I don't want this thing ya hore pipi ya hao. Even said, atumela, sondela, so ngifuna umhlaba, ulihlabela ingene. Hlabela ingene. Kwenza into zenzeke. Izinto zenzeke with as little as 2,800 rands. Amadoda namapipi amanyane, but you enjoy sex. You love sex. You know there is something of which I want to tell you. Coming to us men, sex, it is more like a serious therapy. You are happy, men want sex. Indoda ikwatile, indoda want sex. You are troubled. You are troubled. Sorry, you are troubled. Seriously troubled. Men want sex. There is a funeral somewhere, you feel a serious pain. You reduce that pain by using sex. Sex to men is more like therapy. I'm not talking about they believe that alcohol is their own therapy. But to men, they believe that sex is their own therapy. I'm inviting you to come and get Umutwendugu by only 2,800 rand. we have now traveled to Botswana. Mporotla ke mmino wa rona. Uma uyidinga lento ngifonele mntakababa, ipipi lakho likwazi ukuthi lizodla kahle, yonke into ikwazi ukuthi ishintshe. Siyabonga.